Withdrawing money from your Steam account can be a straightforward process once your account has been reviewed. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw your funds. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Start by opening the Steam application or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, go to your account details by clicking on your profile name in the top right corner. From there, select account details and then click on View Purchase History to access your wallet balance. Step 3. Check account status. Before proceeding, ensure that your account is in good standing and that the review process has been completed. Look for any notifications or messages from Steam regarding your account status. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. If your account is eligible for withdrawal, you will find an option to withdraw funds in the wallet section. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Choose withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options such as bank transfer or payment service. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal process, ensuring that you enter all necessary information accurately. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from Steam regarding your request.